Okay, everybody. Welcome to watch my part 4 of my DYU 10 input 10 output DAC. I run into some issues with clock signals, and I was thinking that this might be the case because I made my clock wires very long, because this DAC case that I built was only 1 unit tall, and it was very hard to fit my DACs very closely to multi-stream or DAC. So I decided to do this way, as you see in this picture, but it didn't work. The clock lines were too long. So I decided to rewire them, kind of stack them together in the way that the clock lines would be very, very short, as you see me doing it now. And this seemed to work. There was some popping sounds because the clocks weren't working properly. And also when I tried to record straight from input to output, like I was hoping to use this DAC, so I have this pre-recorded drum tracks or whatever, and then I would record directly from output to input, having some analog gear in between. That would not work because of the long clock signals. But this is recorded straightly from output to input, and it seems to work. So I think my modification, or what should I call it, seems to work very well. I don't hear any problems, anything like that. It's going directly. And in the future I will try to record some drum tracks or whatever music, and then after that I will process it analogically, do it through my DYU gear and maybe some other gear, and see how this works. This was the purpose that I originally intended. I have some DYU gear which I want to use to process my recordings, and the 10 input 10 output DAC would serve me in this purpose. So after this modification that I did, everything seems to be working. I'm really happy that I was able to do this and everything seems to work fine. So remember, if you do this kind of DAC that I have built, remember to keep the clock lines very short. That's the key to success. Thank you for watching, and see you in later videos.